Hey, this is my channel. Hey, this is my channel. We're going to play in snow and going off-roading. And we'll come, and we're going to have, and we have Crazy Machine going all the way down this big hill. 3, 2, and go. Next level, you're gonna get in your sled and go down. Yeah, the bucket. We found a bucket and it's our sled now. Whoa, it's slippery. And we are so snow. Okay. Snow. Take the camera. And we have snow riding, and there's 3 rounds we're going to do. 1, 2. Yeah, let's take the bucket back up. Come on. If we're going to subscribe to this channel, we're going to have 3 off-roading down the hill. Come on, let's run! We have 3 rounds going together. We have Razor versus Higher Unction. Let's go! What about over here, Bill? If you're going to do, we got the Higher Unction versus Razor. Okay. Going all the way down to the second score. 4 scores. Downhill. We got second round about this hill, the Rock Roller Hill. Ooh. And let's do Ratchet Roll. Well, William, I'm gonna slip. Ah! Yeah. But I don't know if he made it. Let's try this again.
Do you want to go back on your sled?
No. I'm fine. I have one turn. And we got 13 turns. We got 13. Wow! We got an adventure spot. And let's see how many turns he got. 15! His engine maybe thought he's going that way. And let's go from one turn. Right. See how many engine turns he got. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Oh, we made just finally right to that pack a winner. Okay, and let me see on the phone. And let's see that instant.
We have the phone!
Watching. Bye.